C0URT.
Hey guys, welcome to C0URT Daily News Update, your one-stop channel for everything news and gist happening all over the world. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time this video got to you. And if this is your first time of seeing any of our videos, please don't forget to go a step further, like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you'll be one of the first persons to know whenever we drop a new video. Now let's take you straight up to the main news. Kanu court hearing postponed again as courts in Nigeria proceed on their annual 2-month vacation. Courts in Nigeria are proceeding on their annual 2-month vacation for the year 2021, which is expected to begin on the 26th of July 2021 and to end on Friday the 17th of September 2021. Courts are expected to resume sitting on the 20th of September 2021. In a vacation notice that was issued by Catherine Christopher, who is the Chief Information Officer of the Federal High Court in Abuja, on Monday said that the annual vacation was necessary for the judges to rest and prepare for the new legal year. The statement, which reads, partly says, in pursuant to the provisions of Order 46, Rule 4D of the Federal High Court Civil Procedure Rules 2019, the Chief Judge of the Federal High Court of Nigeria, Honorable Justice John Tehamba Soho, announces to honorable judges, stakeholders, and the general public that the Federal High Court will proceed on its annual vacation for the year 2021 from Monday the 26th day of July 2021 to Friday the 17th of September 2021. The statement also said that very important divisions of Abuja, Lagos, and Port Harcourt courts will remain functional throughout the vacation to handle cases that had to do with the arrest and seizure of ships, which require urgency, and fundamental rights enforcement are the only cases that will be entertained during the period of the vacation. Owing to this compulsory 2-month vacation, which will begin on the 26th of July, it is expected that Nnamdi Kanu will still remain in custody until the judges resume on the 17th of September 2021. It will be recalled that Justice Binto Yanko had earlier adjourned the case of the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, to the 26th and 27th of July, respectively. Now that the courts are going on vacation, his case will no longer be heard on the 26th and 27th of July 2021, but his case has been adjourned until the courts resume and decides a new date for the hearing. Meanwhile, Chief Bolaji Ayoride, a senior advocate of Nigeria, has appealed to Justice Tanko Muhammad, who is the Chief Justice of Nigeria, and also the National Judicial Council to suspend the 2-month annual court vacation, which has already been given to the judges, in order to save the justice system, as he said. Chief Bolaji Ayoride is a special counsel to the Oyo State Governor, and he has said that the suspension of the proposed 2-month vacation will prove to Nigerians that the justice system is concerned about the welfare of the citizens of the country. He also said that his call for the suspension of the 2-month annual vacation is due to the interest of those who are in detention and are awaiting trial, especially due to the fact that there have been some up and downs in the judicial system following the 2-month strike, which was embarked on by the Judiciary Staff Union of Nigeria, JUSUN, and also delays which were caused by the COVID-19 pandemic and the EndSARS protests, all in 2020. Chief Bolaji appreciated the judges, calling them hardworking and patriotic Nigerians, and said that there is a need for the judiciary to make a very bold statement so as to, rekindle the hope of the common Nigerian man, as well as to renew the confidence of investors in Nigeria as a country. He said in his letter, I therefore most humbly urge your lordship and all other heads of courts in Nigeria to, in the interest of persons who are languishing and awaiting trial, and those that their cases have suffered inordinate delay due to extraneous factor aforementioned, kindly direct a suspension of the 2021 annual judges vacation in order to save our justice system. He went ahead to say, "My lord, such a direction will no doubt portray the judiciary as a most responsive institution and the third arm of government that is the last hope of the common man." He went ahead to say that a suspension of the 2 months annual vacation will go a long way to clear the backlog of cases that the Nigerian courts are having due to the COVID-19 pandemic, the NSAS protests, and the recent strike of JUSUN. He also went ahead to say that due to the outbreak of the coronavirus in 2020, the courts were on lockdown for 2 weeks initially from March 24th, 2020, and after that there was further lockdown of the courts due to the NSAS protest all over the country, which saw the burning down of police stations in major states in the country, and also the release of prisoners from major correctional facilities across the country. He also highlighted in his statement that the Judiciary Staff Union of Nigeria had on April 6, 2021 ordered its members all over Nigeria to shut down all courts in the country so as to make their demands for the implementation of the financial autonomy of the judiciary. And the strike, which was called off after 2 months, really paralyzed a lot of judicial activities. Stating all of these facts, he called on Justice Tanko to suspend the proposed vacation of courts in Nigeria so that courts will be able to carry out their activities, owing to the fact that they've been at home for a very long time. But in the vacation notice, it was said that the judges needed to rest very well before they begin the new judicial year in September 2021. The courts are expected to resume on the 20th of September 2021. So there you have it, guys. Unless the court's 2 months vacation is called off, Nnamdi Kanu's case would likely resume sometime in September after courts resume, or whenever a new date is fixed after the judges resume from their 2 months vacation. But do you think it is really necessary for the judges to go on this 2 months vacation, owing to the fact that there have been a lot of strikes here and there? The COVID-19 pandemic, as raised by C0URT, the NSAS protests, they've had a lot of breaks and breaks upon breaks. This is not the first time they're taking their 2 months vacation despite breaks. In 2020, despite the NSAS protests, despite the COVID-19 pandemic that led to the shutdown of the entire nation, the judges still took their 2 months vacation. So do you think they will listen to the appeal of C0URT to call off this particular 2 months vacation? And do you also think it is right to adjourn the case of Nnamdi Kanu, owing to the fact that the pockets of protests springing up here and there in the country calling for his release? Drop your thoughts and comments in the comment section. Welcome back. Thank you so much for staying with us till the end of this video. But before we go, we just want to let you know that we're also on Facebook and on Instagram at DJMTV. Also check out our website at www.djmtv.news. There we drop news 247 non-stop. Do not forget that you could also place your advert with us here on DJMTV News, and be rest assured that your business will get to the desired market. Well, so we'll come your way again with another edition of DJMTV Daily News Update. I remain your host, Laura Favor. Yeah.
DJMTV. DJMTV. DJMTV.